Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Something good is brewing today. My name is Queen. If this is your first time here, you're most welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Nigerian Massa. Massa is a food that is made out of rice, Basmati rice precisely, or you can use jasmine rice, which is also a basmati rice. Basically here we don't have the masa rice itself that we use to make masa back home in Nigeria, but basmati rice serves well. So we soaked 3 cups of rice in water for about 6 hours. We also boiled 1 cup of rice to be soft and then set that aside. Then into this mixture the soaked rice, we blended it to be very smooth, and then into that blend we added some milk, about 1.5 spoons of milk. We added some sugar, we added 1 egg, the yolk included, and then a pinch of salt. We pour the boiled rice into the blender and then blend, but we just only try to crush it a bit, not to blend it to be as smooth as the one that was soaked, the raw one. This is just to make it a little bit not solid per se, so it has some kind of thickness inside after being fried. So we're just going to blend that real quick, and then after blending we'll pour this back into the mixture and stir. Next, we're adding our proofed yeast. We proofed this yeast by pouring it in the container, adding 1 spoon of sugar and some warm water, and we let it for like 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, and it has risen so well. So we poured that back into this mixture and we'll just stir. Then we'll add the blended parboiled rice into the mixture also to further thicken the blended raw rice that we soaked earlier, and then we mix this together to attain a fluffy consistency. Then we start frying. So the bowl we're using was too small, and then we had to turn this into a big pot, and we observed that it was kind of too thick, so we added little water to further loosen up the molecules. I'm speaking in science. Yeah, to make it a little bit lighter, and then we tried that by frying the first 2. The consistency was good. You can try by doing just 1. So to fry, there's this special pan for masa. It looks like cupcake pans, but the under has a kind of flat surface that can sit on this electric the coils. And then we also tried to fry in a flat pan. Some people do that didn't work very well at first, but we tried the second one and it eventually worked, because I feel like the heat goes in more since it's flat. It cooks faster and more properly. So these ones in the masa pan, you just add like 1 spoon of oil and then add your masa to fill it. After a while, when you notice it's turning brown and dry in the sides, you use a spoon to turn it over, and boom, you have your fried masa. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon for another episode. Tell me if you like this video, and if you want to see more of this kind of videos, let me know in the comments below. Thank you and have a good day.